Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about buying Bitcoin as an exchange. Think of Bitcoin exchange as a stockbroker. Instead of going to Nigerian Stock Exchange or other similar sites, you would instead go to a Bitcoin exchange like Instant Gold Nigeria for those who are in Nigeria, Naira to cryptocurrency for those who are in Nigeria, or Coinbase for those who are international. Coinbase or Instant Gold NG Naira to cryptocurrency will accept payments via either debit card or bank payments in exchange for Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrency offered on their website. When buying Bitcoin from an exchange, you will pay the current market rates, just as you would with any other commodity. The fees for buying a Bitcoin are usually minimal, around let's say 1 to 3%, depending on your method of payment. There are a few important notes to keep in mind if you are considering buying your Bitcoin from an exchange. First, an exchange may offer lower limits to new buyers. This is to help limit fraudulent transactions and to stop fraudulent accounts before they get out of hand. You can usually bypass this restriction by the following steps. 1. Prove your identity, including submitting a government issue ID, a copy of your bank card, utility statement like your NEPA bill, your what you know what utility statements are, to prove your address, or so on. Payment method that you choose to buy your Bitcoin with at an exchange will also play a role in your overall experience. For example, a credit card purchase may take 5 to 7 business days to officially complete. This is because the exchange needs to ensure that the purchase is both legit and that the buyer is not backing out of their purchase. You can also use your bank account to also make purchase for Bitcoin. This is akin to a card dealer waiting 3 days for a personal check to clear. Since fraud and theft is so rampant in the cryptocurrency industry, exchange must take precautions to protect themselves. While it may take several days for you to actually own and be able to trade and use your Bitcoin, the price that you buy at will be the price you are locked in at when buying on an exchange. For example, if you buy one Bitcoin today on Naira cryptocurrency for $6,500, this is the final price that you pay, regardless of whether the price falls to $6,000 or rise to $8,000 by the time the coin are actually placed in your account. Depending on both where you live and where the exchange is located, regulations and requirements will vary. For example, Coinbase is located in United States and primarily serves United States customers. Naira cryptocurrency is located in Nigeria and primarily serves Nigerian customers. As a result of this, they are required to follow strict rules and regulations due to the money and volume of transactions that take place on the exchange. Generally speaking, the biggest drawback to buying Bitcoin on an exchange is that you may be required to disclose more personal information than you are comfortable with. Unfortunately, this is not the fault of the exchange themselves, but instead a product of the government rules of which they need to abide by. In terms of overall safety and security, an exchange will be the best way to buy your Bitcoin. You do not have to worry about a credible exchange backing out of a transaction, taking your money and running, or otherwise cheating you out of your money. If you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do, and watch my next video on buying Bitcoin at an ATM or store.